In this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate posts and pages in WordPress. Keep watching. Hi guys, Steve here from coffeeshopblogger.com, where I help people become more confident with WordPress. Log into your dashboard and then click on Plugins and Add New. And you want to search for a plugin called Duplicate Post. And this is the plugin that you want to install. It's called Duplicate Post, and it has over 2 million active installations. So we know it's quite a popular one, and it's got some really good reviews as well. So you can get some more details by clicking on here, and then just click on Install Now. Once that's done, click on Activate, and then the Duplicate Post plugin will be activated. And you can access the settings by clicking on here or by going down to your settings and clicking on here. So here's some settings here that you can change that you're essentially telling the plugin what to copy. So I'm just going to leave these as they are. You can take a look at some of these settings to adjust the way the plugin works for you. Then to actually use the plugin, come over to Posts, and then if you hover over the post that you want to duplicate, you'll notice that now it has this option to clone. So just click on Clone, and what it does is it creates a brand new post that's exactly the same as this post that you cloned. The new post that it creates will be set as a draft. So let's just take a look at the original post that we duplicated. Here's what that post looks like. It's just a post that's been created with dummy content. And then I'm going to take a look at the new post that it's duplicated. Let's click on Preview, and you'll notice that it's exactly the same as the original post. So if we click on Edit, you can see that the duplicated post has all the same content as the original one. It's brought over the featured image, it's brought over the permalink, and it's brought over the content here as well, and even the links and stuff like that. So the benefit of copying a post is, let's say you have a post that is a particular sort of layout, and you just want to duplicate that layout so it saves you time when creating a new post of the same layout. Then you can copy that post, and then you'll have a post of the same template. All you would essentially need to do is go into the edit of that new post and then just change the content, but the layout and the template of that post will still be intact, which will save you some time. So that's how you duplicate a post. Let's go and duplicate a page. Click on the All Pages and then choose a page that you'd like to duplicate. Let's take a look at the Who We Are page. So that's what it looks like. Hover over it and click on Clone. So it does exactly the same as it does for posts. It creates this new one here. It's saved as a draft, and when we edit it, it looks exactly the same as the previous one. This is all the content inside that new page. And the benefits are the same before. It will enable us to save some time if the layout of this page is the same as the layout of a new page we want to create. All we'd have to do now is come in here and just change this text, change the titles, maybe just we want a new page that has a different image here. All we'd have to do is come in here, click on the edit the image, and then change the images over. So that's how you duplicate posts and pages in WordPress. I hope this video has helped. If it has, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you'd like to get more videos like this, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and click on the notification bell. You'll get notified when I release new videos. Thanks very much, guys. I'll speak to you soon.